Hello, world. Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Coming up on the North Fork junction at Banco, Big Creek splits here, and the road has to make a decision. I have noticed that about this part of Logan County, you are always at a fork where the drainage divides and the road has to pick one. Neither choice takes you anywhere big. Both choices take you somewhere real. This is inside my old Spark territory. I ran packages up into these haulers more times than I logged. Coming through without a manifest changes what I notice. I used to see the next turn. Now I see the way the tree line moves on the hillside, the way a front porch faces the road, the way some communities sit in the sun, and some of them are in shadow all afternoon because the ridge is too close. These roads were always here. I just was not looking at them. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.